Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Yeah, I couldn't be in my studio today. It's a long story. I felt like I should, I don't know, start a whole thing and tell you guys what is happening. Anyway, thank you so much for checking this out. I told you guys I am in my Sangie zone. Okay, so Moribwanji, Ziko Mokwambire, Mr. Soshangan. Zikomo Kwambire for suggesting this one. Even on the channel that I'm no longer reacting to music there. On my political side, thank you. The message is heard clear, loud and clear. Without wasting any time, let's get to it. Okay, so Sangie Say Something. That's the name of the song. Let's rewind it.
Cuff beat.
Made it.
Oh yeah, can you be my lover? Say Indiana. The way you looking at me, see me cool, feel I no more. If you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Put your cup on without you to me, it's a no-no. Say something, say something.
Say something. Beautiful stuff. I gotta. Okay. You know what? I had forgotten that I'm reacting. Just now, when I held the microphone, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm supposed to be saying something. Wow. What a coincidence. The song saying something. Alright, beautiful stuff. So far, we see the video. Oh, man. Like, I don't know what kind of car is this. The whole vibe. Beautiful camera placements.
I can even feel you looking at me.
Why is it like I've seen this person before? Oh, have I seen this video before? This song seems familiar.
Would you say something? Oh man, I'm too girly. Or maybe I'm too flirty. Them say I'm not too chatty. Don't act like you and this woman phone a body. The way you looking at me, see me cool, feel I no more. If you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Put your company without you to me, it's a no-no.
This song.
Would you say something?
I'm telling you guys, the song seems familiar. I might have reacted to this song or I have watched it on my own. I don't know. I feel like if we can dig deep into one of my channels, we'll see that I've reacted to the song 9 months ago. So it's a possibility. It seems so familiar. Hey, it's a beautiful video, by the way. Like the video, crisp, man. Big up to the videographers.
I will do that for you. Just say something. You know, say I'm too naughty. The way we come too crazy for it. We are so full and cause we're too talky. All you can do is say something, baby. The way you looking at me, see me cool, feel I no more. If you could look another how I'm feeling right now. Put your cup on without you to me.
Yeah. Okay, I have to stop myself from smiling. I feel like I should leave a comment. I feel compelled to leave a comment right now. Okay, let's see. Ili. Can I say Ili Bueno? I'm just gonna leave a comment, Ili Bueno. And if you see my comment, just correct me in the comment section on her video. Let's see if you guys are watching. I feel like that's appropriate, right? Hopefully there's like unfortunately, hopefully there's no misspellings in there and stuff like that. But yeah, there's my comment. So hold on. What if there is another comment I made back then? Let's see. I feel like this is not the first time I have left a comment on one of her videos. Let's see if anyway, let's get
Say something.
honestly, this song seems so familiar, man. Like I feel like I might have reacted to it.
If you could, you can have how I'm feeling right now.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
Would you say something, what?
Say something. I am telling you guys, I wouldn't be surprised if I have reacted to that song before. So let me know. I don't know. I feel like I have seen that video. I can like one way or the other. Anyway, Zikomo Kwambiri for watching this to the end, and go check out the Sangie's YouTube page. That song is a banger. Okay, you can tell from the views that people love it, people watched it, people love her, and I love her music as well. So big up to Sangie. I cannot. Yeah, I feel like my neighbors might be listening and they're like, "What is he talking about?" Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you guys on the other side.